Too bad you can't smell it. Gotta love that. Truck's all pretty clean. It does have a little rust starting in the cab corner, but nothing that you can't fix without replacing a cab corner. Cab corners you can just patch up and leave on there. Doors shut real good now, although they do not have the hold open springs in them. I replaced this fender. Probably pretty washed out from the sun here, but I'm going to just take it up around the front anyway. I always thought the grill looked really nice after I got done putting it on. Sounds pretty good. You see the alternator fully stopping. Camera's got a zoom on it, digital zoom. Whine as much now that I put that stock airbox back on it, but that's probably a lot healthier for it. And that's how it looks.